Welcome back to the 3D Lily Pad Pond Stitch Along. Today we're going to make the woven picot stitches, which are these fun 3D triangles that pop away from the fabric here. So for this stitch, you will want 3 strands of your darkest green thread and 3 strands of your medium green thread for a total of 6 strands. And we're also going to need a sewing pin. So we'll start with the woven picots in the front and then work our way to the back. We want to stick our pin in the front of the fabric, right at the top point of the triangle, and then just come up through the middle there at the base. It's okay if it's a little longer than what you need. Now we have our 6 strands of thread. We're going to bring our needle up on one bottom corner of the triangle there. Wrap our thread around the top of our sewing pin, and then go back down in the other bottom corner of our triangle, making an outline there. Next, we're going to bring our needle up right at the center base of our triangle, and again wrap our thread around the top of our sewing pin. So we'll have a straight line running up the center. And now we want to weave our needle across our 3 strands here. So I'm going to flip my needle around, and my thread's coming out on the right, so I'm going to weave to the left. I'm going to go under, over, under, slide my needle through, and just gently tug that there, and then go back with over, under, over, and we'll keep going across our triangle here. When you filled in the entire section of your triangle there, we want to bring our thread to the back, so we're just going to go back down towards the center base of our triangle, like so, and then we'll pull out our pin, and our little triangle will pop away from the fabric. And that is the woven picot.